Carry the camera, come. I will show you. Okay, go back small. My cameraman is Luis. Okay, have you started recording? Okay, so this early in the morning, if you want to start a car, if you want to start your car, first of all, you don't go straight to start the car. You have to check some basic things. Understand? So today I'll take you through it. Remember, our cameraman is who? Luis. Luis, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, you have to go and check your coolant, check your engine oil, and see whether they are at level. So to open it here, you check here. Watch here. Take the camera. Watch it. Is it watching here? This one. You pull it. When you pull it, the bonnet will open. So let's go to the front. Are we good to go? Okay, so if you want to open, you just open it gently. It's been a week that we have started this car. So yesterday when I was starting, we were feeling some difficulty, but I realized it was the block. So after we work on the blocks, everything is now working perfectly. Okay, are you videoing? Go back small. So first of all, you check your engine oil. It's very, very necessary. So you have to check whether the engine oil is at gauge. So you check the gauge and say, okay, we have enough oil. Yes. If your oil is below gauge, it means it's not doing what? The way it's like the camera is shaking. You should hold it firm, you should not be shaking, okay? So your gauge, you should check and see if you have enough engine oil. Yes, it's not leaking. And we are perfect to go. You can see that our oil too is, yes, very, very good. We changed it last 2 weeks. Then the second thing, you have to check your coolant. Whether you have enough coolant. Here is the coolant. You see? Yes, that is the coolant. Because we have started the car already. This morning I've heated it already. I've checked all these things. That is why you can see that the coolant is trying to come out first. So here is your coolant. You check it and see whether you have enough coolant in it. Then your battery terminal is always firm. This is the battery terminal. It's always what? Firm. Then we are good to go. Okay? So you go back to the car. Let's go into the car now. So when we come back into the car, then are you watching me? You are not watching me. Go back to me. It's okay. So you can now from here, you can now make
the
sure
sun is scorching.
The sun is scorching. Okay, come like this more. It's still scorching your face. Okay, now watch me. Am I showing inside? Am I showing inside?
Yes.
Okay, so you now come and put your gear. This is manual car. Remember, this is the car we'll be using for all the tutorial. So you just put it in the free mode. Then you make sure it's in the neutral. When it's in neutral, then you can now hit your start button. Yes. That's all. Very simple. Very simple. You know, that is the way you go. That is a routine. Early morning before you start your car, you have to make sure you go and check your coolant, you check your engine oil level before, when everything is okay, before you come to the car and start the car. You don't go straight away to start the car without checking all those things. If you short engine oil, you are going to break your engine. If you don't have enough coolant in your car, your car is going to be overheated. Yes. Thank you for watching today's episode.